Welcome to Mathos Bridge, Train and Learn. Let's get started. Python strings. The agenda here is to learn Python strings, string variables, string concatenation, string elements, slicing strings, modify strings, string conversion, string to number conversion, string immutable, string properties, string comparison. Python strings. Strings in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. Print function can be used to display string. Here are the examples. In this example, string is enclosed by double quotation, and in second one, string is enclosed by single quotation. String variables. String variables assigning string to variable. Single line strings, multi-line strings. Here is an example. Hello world is a single line string assigned to a variable and print it. What we get is single line string hello world. Similarly, multi-line string is also assigned to a variable and is enclosed by 3 quotes. If you print it, we will get multi-line string as output. String concatenation. Plus operator can be used to concatenate two strings. Here are the two strings, and two strings get concatenated and assigned to a third variable. When you print, the concatenated string gets displayed. Here is how to accessing string elements. String elements can be accessed with index. Index position start with 0. In negative index, last character is considered to be at index -1. Positive index, position is forward order 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative index, position in reverse order -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Index 0 and index -5 pointing to same position which holds letter H. Similarly, index 4 and index -1 pointing to same position which holds letter O. Here is an example. Let us look into this example. Talks about indexing string and its positioning and length of the string. We have string hello world. We use built-in function length to calculate the length of the string. So here we got length of hello world is equal to 13. We could also see here each position and value stored in it. We can also extract the substrings through forward and reverse orders. Slicing string. Python treats string as a character array. String slicing technique can be used to extract substrings. Slicing used to manipulating textual data. Slicing from start, slicing from end, negative indexing, reverse order. Let us say I would like to extract substring from position start of string to fifth position of string. Here, let us see how we need to specify colon, position, enclosed by square brackets. We will get substring from start position to fifth position. For input string hello world, the output would be hello, as shown in the example. Look at slice from end. Let us see I would like to extract substring from position 8 to end. This is how we have represented. Here is an output. In next example, to print string in reverse order, output would be string gets printed in reverse order. We could also use negative index to extract substrings. Here is one more example. String conversions. Python has a set of built-in methods that can be used to convert strings. Here are the methods. To convert string to uppercase character, we have a method called upper. What it does, it converts all characters of a string into uppercase. To convert string to lowercase character, we have a method called lower. It converts all characters of string into lowercase. Now method capitalize. It converts first character of string to uppercase. If you look at the example, the first letter got converted into uppercase character. Now method title. This method converts first character of each word to uppercase. Look into the example. All first letter got converted into uppercase. Now method swap case. Swap cases in string. Converts uppercase character into lowercase, lowercase characters into uppercase character. String to number conversions. We have built-in methods to convert string to number, such as int, float, complex. The methods are int, float, complex. Int method converts a numeric string to int. Float method converts a numeric string to float. Complex method converts a numeric string to complex. Explicitly, we have to use these methods to convert. Here we have numeric string as an input. We are trying to convert string into int using int method. Look at the output. We can observe that input string get converted into integer. Similarly, here we are trying to convert string into float using float method. You observe input string converted into float. Now you see complex method. We are trying to convert string into complex using complex method. Look at the output. We observe the input string get converted into complex number. String immutable. Immutable object is an object whose state cannot be modified after it is created. Immutable means unchangeable. Mutable means changeable. We have string called hello, started with uppercase letter H at index 0, or we can say position 1. When we try to change uppercase H to lowercase h, upon executing of the code snippet, the interpreter throws type error exception because string object does not support to modify state of string once after it is created. However, you may assign another string to same variable. String properties. Python strings immutable cannot be changed. Here is an example. Strings can be replicated during printing. In this, we are trying to print A 10 times. Here is an output. A gets printed 10 times. Similarly, string hello Python gets printed 2 times. Strings can be concatenated using plus operator. String 1 and string 2 get concatenated. The output would be concatenated strings. One string can be found in another string using in. If it finds, it will return true, or else it will return false. String comparison. Two strings can be compared using operator equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Strings comparison is done in lexicographical order, character by character. Result of comparison would be either true or false. Happy learning. Thank you. Stay tuned to the upcoming sessions.